Hi guys, this right here is the Tesa Bath Shower Caddy. This one uses the Tesa PowerKit adhesive technology, which is stronger than regular adhesive or those suction cups, which tend to fall off. And on the back, you can see it has some instructions and it shows what materials you can use it on. It's compatible with metal, glass, tile, and most other bathroom materials. Unboxing it, you can see that this thing, the box is a little finicky, but unboxing it, you can see that the Caddy itself is a good size. It's a little small, but they make a few different sizes. I went with the smaller one just because I don't need to store too much stuff. And it's all made of chrome-plated steel. Considering it cost about 25 euros, I would say that that's not bad at all. Yeah, this thing is only available in Europe. You cannot buy it in the US yet, unfortunately. But I was able to order it on Amazon Germany and they shipped it to my door for about $15 in shipping, and they accept US credit cards. And inside the box, you will find the thing itself, a preparation tissue, which, as you can see, it's meant for cleaning the surface. And you will also find adhesive, the hardware, an instruction booklet, as well as some other goodies. And of course the mounts themselves, which use adhesive. They look like they're made of some kind of metal and they have a steel stud on it. Everything feels pretty sturdy, so let's start with the installation. The first step is to make sure the wall is clean. I'm using the included cleaning cloth to wipe the wall thoroughly. Now we're ready to begin the installation. I've loosely assembled the Caddy according to the directions. Note that I did not put on the trim pieces. I just directly attached the adhesive brackets. Now remove this thing. It's like a protective backing from the foam adhesive, and line up the Caddy exactly where you want it. Either use a level to make sure it's level, or use the grout lines on your tile to help line it up. And push firmly for several seconds. Next, carefully remove these two round nuts. They're shaped like little balls, and I kind of like the design. Keep pushing firmly while doing this. And you are left with these two little adhesive brackets stuck to the wall. Now we're ready to apply the actual adhesive. The adhesive that's holding these on is just double-sided tape that holds them to the wall during the installation process. The included adhesive is like a little syringe. It has this piece to help you dispense it. Just break off the tip, like so, and we can begin applying it. You just carefully inject it into the bottom hole until it comes out of the top hole. The bottom hole is the bigger hole. The smaller one should be on top, though if you reversed it, it doesn't matter, it'll still work. And we're good. Now that these two adhesive brackets are applied, we can let the adhesive cure. Do not use your shower or touch these two for 12 hours or overnight, and we can begin the rest of the installation process in the morning. Also, ignore the squeezy bits that have squeezed out. That can be easily removed once the adhesive has cured in the morning, so just let it be. I'll see you guys soon. So I've waited overnight and now we're ready to continue with the installation. This glue has cured, and I can just remove the excess by carefully slicing away at it using a scraper blade. And now you have a nice flat surface here that won't interfere with anything. Before we continue with the installation, let's talk about removal and reuse. So these round things are adhered with adhesive that's pretty strong, but you can use a pair of channel lock or water pump pliers to give this a twist, and use a scraper blade like this one to just remove any residue. So these are not permanent. Even though they're pretty strong, they're still easy to remove, and you can reuse the basket or a caddy or a shelf or whatever you're mounting by buying a replacement kit for about $5. So now we're ready to attach the caddy itself. The first step is to attach these two washers. They just slide right over. Next, you can put the caddy on, like so, and secure it using these two nuts. Just screw them on firmly, hand tight, don't need any tools. And now we are done. Here's the finished caddy. It's pretty sturdy. You can put shampoo bottles or other toiletries on it. It's rated for 10 kilograms, 5 kilograms per adapter, which is a lot stronger than command hooks or suction cups. I'll have a link to buy this in the video description. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed watching, and see you all next time.